What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So firstly, try to disable browser extensions. Open Chrome, then click the three dots on the top right corner. Go to More Tools, then Extensions. Find any extension you don't need, then click Remove and Confirm. After removing extensions, reload Facebook and check Marketplace again. Secondly, you can try turning off sync and refresh profile. Just click your profile icon in Chrome. Select your Gmail account, then turn off sync. This refreshes your browsing session and may fix access issues. Also, corrupted cache can block features like Marketplace, so all you have to do is click the three dots, More Tools, then Clearing Browser Data. Choose a time range, then select cookies and cached images and files. Click Clear Data and restart your browser, then try again. And this should fix your issues. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.